Hey kids, are you ready? Let's learn the letter
K. K is for kite, flying so high, floating and dancing up in the sky. K is for kitten, fluffy and small, chasing a string and chasing a ball. Listen close, what does K say?
Let's say it today.
K, 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 come sing with me. K is as fun as it can be. K, 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 shout hooray! We're learning new words today. K, K, K,
Clap your hands!
learning letters is so grand. K, K, K,
Spin around!
let's jump up off the ground.
K is for king with a crown so gold.
Ruling his kingdom, brave and bold.
K is for kangaroo jumping around.
Boing, boing, boing from the ground. Can you say the K sound too?
Just like you.
K, 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 come sing with me. K is as fun as it can be. K, 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 shout hooray! We're learning new words today. Kick the ball, kick, 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 kick.
Knock the door.
Knock, 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 quick.
Keys go jingle.
Hear that sound?
K, words are all around.
K, K, K,
Jump up high.
kites are flying in the sky. K, K, K,
Stomp your feet.
learning letters is a treat. Now we know the letter K. We learn new words today. K is for kind. Be kind and say
Have a happy
fun-filled day.